course. And as you come down the path here, Lorraine, you're on the brakes coming down slowly.
Oh, this isn't as bad as the other one.
Okay, now as soon as you get to the edge before the water, I'm going to yell out, no brakes, let it go.
Okay.
So what you have to do there is just make sure you're holding onto the steering wheel with both of your hands. Pull both of your feet away from the pedals. Let your Jeep.
Alright, we're ready.
Low gear. Okay. Brakes all the way down until I hit the water.
And then let it
no
go.
brakes.
Then let it go.
No engine. Okay. Watch out that doesn't smash against the window.
Oh, well, I'm going to pull it back.
Holy shivers.
That's the brakes then. Just follow it, honey. That's it.
I don't think that's normal. Oh, God. Oh!
Go, go.
Oh!
Go, honey. Let it. Honey, I didn't get that. You have to go back and do it again. I stood the thing closed on me.
By the way, when it says OD off, is that good?
OD?
Off. Here.
Oh yeah, that's just the open.
Okay, okay.
Alright, yeah, I've never experienced anything like that before in my life.
So back through the water, follow the main track all the way around to the left. You're going to make your way into the Romeo. Lorraine, wind your window all the way down. Theo, you're going to drop your side off the up onto the bank.
Oh.
Keep it up nice and tight. Yes, to do. Find out what kind of an angle.
Oh, no, this is not good.
Come on, honey. Go with it.
Keep it going.
Keep it going, don't.
Slowly.
Keep going, please keep going. Please keep going.
Oh, stop.
Oh, no, please, John.
That was close. You see that?
Yeah.
I'm just joking. Nothing. But if you hold on tight, stop there, Theo. If you hold on tight, watch this.
No, John, please. Oh, God.
I wasn't even trying, and I was getting you excited. Hey?
When a wind screams no, it's bad. I don't know how they do it here in New Zealand.
I'll tell you what, do you mind passing me your camera and I'll just take it out to the front just so you can show all the folks what kind of an angle you're on. Alright, so there's Theo and Lorraine on the roll me over. Turn to the left, turn left. Here you go.
Thank you. Oh, oh God.
Okay, stop.
The left hand.
The left-hand wheel.
10 wheels on the top side.
Like that?
Yep.
Yep.
Come
So keep it up.
Oh, God. Oh,
Keep up.
keep it up. Keep it up.
Yeah, that's the one. Good.
Okay, which way?
I'll tell you what, we're going to go left again because like Lorraine's screamed so much. We're going to go left one more time.
Left?
Left. Oh.